Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Info. I hope you will find this time to talk about Kalam Kawal review. Memoti dominates as a chilling villain is a rather predictable crime thriller. Are you heading to the theaters to watch the Memoti and Vinayakan starrer Kalam Kawal this week? Here is the Pink Vela review for you to check out by Kotimas, published on 5th December 2025. Name Kalam Kawal, director Jitin Kijos, cast Mamodi Vinayakan, Kevin Gopinath, Gayatri Arun, Rajisha Vijayan, Shruti Ramchandran, Aziz Nedumanan, writer Jitin Kijos, Jishnu Srikumar, rating 3.5 by 5. Kalam Kawal is a crime drama thriller starring Mammootty and Vinayakan in the lead roles, released in theaters on 5th December 2025 today. Directed by Jitin K. Joss in his debut venture, the movie also features Kevin Gopinath, Gayatri Arun, Rajisha Vijayan, Shruti Ramchandran and others in pivotal roles. If you are planning to watch the films in theater uh, this weekend, here is the big villa review to help you learn more about it. The plot. Kalam Kawal begins in the 2010s where a group of police officers led by Sai Ranjan Abraham heads to the quiet border village of Kota Kutaikonam. The team arrives to conduct an inquiry into a conflict between communities, expecting it to be just routine work. As they begin their investigation, minor clues start to surface and they gradually realize that a much darker conspiracy is unfolding around them. The trial of clues leads them to uncover several mysteries tied to one twisted man, turning the narrative into a gripping cat and mouse chase. Whether the officer and his team manage to capture the culprit in time forms the core of his crime drama thriller. The Good. Like civil superstar drive-in movies, Kalam Kawal relies heavily on the acting brilliance of the inimitable Despin Mamote. However, this time he takes on the role of the antagonist, and every frame he appears in becomes one of the film's strongest moments. The characterizations and no screen on-screen dynamics between the lead actors make this an entertaining watch, distinguishing it from others in the same genre. The film delves into the psyche of a devilish man. His taunts and even a single glance are enough to send shivers down the viewer's spine, staying true to the essence of a crime thriller. Even though the narration is slow and shallow at times, the introduction of the veteran star into the narrative, accompanied by an intense interval block and an engaging climax, makes the watch worthwhile. With strong performances from the ensemble cast, Kalam Kawal lingers in the mind, especially due to Mamika's intense portrayal. While the plot remains engaging, the film's greatest technical brilliance comes from music composer Mujib Majid. In a contemporary cinema landscape where most films rely on repetitive music, the composer crafts tracks that send shivers down the spine yet remain entertaining enough for repeat listens. Interestingly, the tracks feel reminiscent of Ilaya Raja's music from the 1990s but still maintain a fresh identity. The film also boasts some brilliant visuals crafted by cinematograph, cinematographer Faisal Ali. The bad. Despite having a strong plot, Kalam Kawal offers nothing new from a storytelling perspective. The slow narrative takes time to build in the first half, requiring viewers to invest significant attention in understanding the stakes and characters of this criminal world. Both the screenplay and the execution appear somewhat convoluted, leading to consistency issues with the film's momentum. This lack of narrative steadiness makes it slightly difficult to register the intended emotions. With its repetitive elements, Kalam Kawal becomes yet another routine crime thriller as the cat and mouse chase grows predictable. It becomes clear that Momoti's performance as the villain is what ultimately elevates the film. Without the superstar, it would likely have fallen apart. The performances the film stays alive in the audience's mind largely because of Mammootty's impressive performance. With over 40 years of experience, the actor continues to reinvent himself with each film in his lineup. Mehmuka proved once again that even a single glance or smile can be as haunting as the devilish laughter he delivered in the horror flick Brahmyangam. Vinayakan, who plays the protagonist, remains true to his role and delivers his best as the investigating officer, even uh, villain if the villain ultimately steals the show. Watch the teaser of Kalam Kawal. The verdict Kalam Kawal may not offer anything fresh from a story perspective, but it is still a must-watch, especially for Momoti. And to witness how a 74-year-old superstar continues to break stereotypes in conventional commercial cinema. Disclaimer: the views and opinions expressed in this article are those of the author and do not reflect the official policy or position of Pink Villa. No statement in this article is intended to defame, harm, on million any individual or entity. Also read Akanara to postpone makers of Nandamuri Balakrishna Theatre to release an official statement. I hope you will enjoy this news.